Happy birthday, Pops! Thank you so much for everything that you have done for all of us. You are such an amazing, great model, and we salute you for being a good dad, a loving and caring dad to all of us, and to your loving apos as well. We wouldn't be who we are and where we are right now if it's not because of you and Mama. Thank you so much for everything. And may you always have good health and many, many more birthdays to come and more blessings. I love you. We miss you here. Bye.
Happy birthday, Daddy Lo. Stay healthy and strong. Enjoy and have fun. We'll always love you.
Always love you.
Ingat.
Ingat.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday pa. Happy 63rd birthday. Enjoy your day. Birthday. Happy birthday pa. Happy 63rd birthday. Enjoy your day.